boo. It's Betty time and welcome to another week in my life. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I kind of missed daily vlogging. It's Tuesday. I'm at one of the buildings we manage and I just had a meeting in the rain about garbage and recycling. And did you know, at least in Ontario, there's nowhere that you can recycle bottles except for like taking it in personally to get it exchanged. But if you're just like putting bottles in your recycling bin, it's just going into the garbage. I didn't know that.
Concourse.
Oh, I picked the right button. Come on, she didn't want to go for a walk today. It's too wet, isn't it, baby? It's too wet. Look at the ground. Yucky. That's yucky. Another Factor box just arrived, completely soaked. So I'm gonna open it up and see what meals I've got for tonight and the rest of the week. I decided to go with barbecue pork sloppy joe with chipotle, sweet potato mash, and roasted green beans. Here's the meal with a side of Baby Bell cheese and some 100% grape juice. Good morning, it's Wednesday. I really need to get back into the habit of filming my life.
Line 1, work 10.
I am just getting ready to go to all three banks, TD, BMO, and Scotia. But before I do, these Icebreaker sugar-free gum, watermelon slushy gum, were in my stocking this year, and I am obsessed, to say the least. 2 at a time. Good stuff. I just got back from the banks. It's like 2:45, I think. And my lunch today is maple barbecue ground beef with roasted potatoes, green beans, and creamed corn. I don't know what is up with Factor and green beans, but they could probably lay off. Maybe they're just cheap. I am having a really late dinner. This is artichoke and Parmesan pork chop with herb roasted carrots and potatoes. It's like 8:30. That was not satisfying whatsoever. Very unsatisfying. And I'm even less satisfied because honestly, that was probably my least favorite Factor meal I've had so far. And I love a pork chop. We all know I love a pork chop. There's just like this one spice. I don't know what spice it is, so I can't ask for none of this. And I can't in a Factor meal anyway, but in general, it's used on hash browns, sometimes pizza. Maybe it's oregano. I genuinely don't know what it is. It's a little green flake. And they were on my potatoes today, and I just can't do it. I didn't even touch the potatoes. I gave Gigi one. I like licked off all the spices. Maybe that's gross. I just don't know what spices are good for her, but I know she can have a tiny little tater. So I gave her like a little tater and then I threw the rest out. And the pork chop like wasn't that good either. Very disappointing. And the reason I'm less satisfied is on my way home from work today. I stopped at the Dollarama for the first time in ages because I was like, I kind of want a little treat. And I got those, what are they called? They're like, I don't even know how to explain them. They're like Cheetos, but they're yellow. I don't know. And they were like $2 for a big bag. And I got a lemonade and hand soap because my washroom, I'm almost out of hand soap. And it was like $10. But I was so sleepy on the way home and the train was taking forever. So at St. Clair, which is like halfway home, we all had to exit the train and I forgot my Dollarama bag. My heart hurt so bad when I realized. I was like half asleep and they're like, everybody off the train, blah, 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 it's turning back southbound. And I was like, oh God, I don't want to do it, but I did it. And then I realized I forgot my bag. So somebody's going to have a great little treat tonight, but it's not me. It's not me. So I've got water Got my Stanley full of water. That's not what I want. I did have a bite of chocolate, but that's not what I want either. I want my little yellow Cheetos. So now I have to go buy the same exact purchase tomorrow because I still want those items. Like, I bought them for a reason. Anyway, also, we had a meeting at work, a virtual meeting at the end of the day, and it was just kind of stressful. So that's why I wanted the little treat. It's all coming together, isn't it? Does anybody else's puppy get a 20-minute full body massage every morning? Or is it just mine? Is it just mine because I feel so guilty? I feel so guilty leaving my baby. My new 2024 morning routine is I set an alarm for 10 minutes and then the timer goes off and Gigi just still lays here looking so, so cute. And then I set it for another 10 minutes. I'm wearing 2 different socks this morning and one of them keeps falling down and it is so annoying. I don't remember this ever happening. Like, where did this sock come from? Helen's birthday was on Tuesday and we usually buy each other lunch, but I was way too busy on Tuesday, so I bought us pizza for today. I'm really not that hungry, but I am excited for this almond crusted salmon with red pepper cream, green beans, and feta dressing. They really need to lay off the green beans. I've been using this lantern as my bathroom light for about 2 weeks now. Will this hold me? Deep breaths. I am very scared of falling from small heights. I'm not scared of planes, I'm not scared of mountains, but like, deep breaths. I am scared of like ladders, for example, or just like falling from short heights. I don't know. So this is like the scariest thing I've done in a while, but I have nobody else to do this. I can't be living like a cave woman. I'm so scared this isn't gonna hold me. This is the only thing I have. I tried to bring one of my big blue chairs in here, but it didn't fit through the door. So I'm wondering, how did I even move it in here? I mean, I didn't move it in, movers did, but okay. What if I do this like baby steps? Oh, that's not something that's gonna help me. I'm so scared. Okay. I hate this. I finally got the courage. Oh no, it's not even gonna open? You're kidding. You're kidding me. I got all the way up here and it won't even unscrew? No. Lefty loosey. Ah! Okay. Plan B. What I was going to say is, how do I get down? Jeez. What is your mama doing? What I was going to say is I finally asked someone how to change the light bulb and they were like, that's so easy. Why didn't you ask me 2 weeks ago? They said it nicer than that, but I'm gonna go get my toolkit. Now I have to do this all over again. Okay. Let's hope this works. Okay. Oh, it does. I am so not ready for this. Oh no, I'm definitely ruining the paint. Maybe I'm not doing it. It certainly looks like I am. I'm so proud of myself right now. I did it! This is a light bulb that changes colors. I can connect it to my phone, which is kind of cool. Oh my god, there's a spot for 2 lights. Can I just throw this in the trash? I'm gonna go get another one. Actually, yeah, I have to get down to test it anyway. Oh, it works. How vibey. Yeah, I'm gonna go get another one. Here's the second moment of truth. Oh my God, it's so bright. I put in a second light bulb. I still don't know what's going on with the flashing, but I'm sure that'll stop. I totally forgot I also have one of those colorful lights in this lamp. I didn't even have this lamp plugged in, but kind of digging the green. And I also switched around my bedroom a little bit. Gigi is in her sexual exploration phase, so I'm just gonna hide that from the world. Nobody needs to see that, but I put my two blue chairs together to make like a little bed, and I put my Gucci blanket over it, and I think it looks really cute. So this is the current situation in the bedroom. I got this big burst of energy about an hour ago at like 9:30, and I did everything I could possibly do except the dishes. And you know what? I think I'm gonna leave them for another day, because who cares? Who cares except for the girl who is out of forks. I also went back to the Dollarama today, and they were out of the blueberry soap that I bought yesterday, but I got this sweet berry foaming one, so whatever. I just need to wash my hands. I lost my favorite nail glue, so I was just using one. Oh, hi, baby. I was just using one in my drawer, and I don't know what I did, but I got that glue everywhere. These nails, look at that. Look how bad they look. Anyway, these are my leftover nails, and I did like a dark purple. Like, look at that. How did I do that? I gotta find my good glue. This is unacceptable. Inajij, unacceptable. Let's clean your eyes. I just cleaned up her eyes. I probably do it once every week, week and a half, or whenever I notice it's getting bad, but usually nothing shows up on the pad. But today we got a couple tears, didn't we? Are you mad at Mama? Look, I got nails on. You love when I have nails. Can I make it up to you? Show me your belly. Your Majesty. Queen Gigi. She got her leg up and everything. Today is Friday, which means I get to have my Starbucks today. I got a venti iced matcha with oat base and 3 white mocha pumps, which I understand is a lot of sugar, but I need it. Also, I woke up so anxious today. I don't know. Are they calling me? At this number? It's for the suite balcony because they wanted to investigate. Remember like a few weeks ago? Okay, yeah, it was the restaurant. And then in the report it said, I am so busy, so anxious. I'm having leftover pizza on the go. I just got back from running my errand, and I have time for a second slice of pizza. This one is one Helen left. She gets green peppers, mushrooms, which I'm like iffy about, and pineapple, but this is Pizza Hut pizza, by the way. It's really good. And I have been saving this Hawaiian shaved ice Alani energy drink for a day that I needed it, and I do feel like today is the day that I need it. I have been just anxious even since I woke up. Like, I woke up anxious today. I think you can get the Hawaiian shaved ice in Canada. I actually can't remember if I've tried this before, but it's definitely more rare than the blue or the purple or the red. They also just came out with a new, the red is cherry, cherry slush, I think. And they just came out with a cherry twist that I'm very excited about. Need a buffalo trip soon. I got this one in Maine when I was home for Christmas, and I brought it all the way back, and I've just been saving it for a nice day. No, I haven't been saving it for a nice day. I've been saving it for a day that I need it. And this says it's strawberry. It doesn't say. The photos on the front are strawberry, icy cones, and watermelon. Does that taste like coconut? I'm gonna pick up some treats for Jeej. What's this? Did Mama get you a treat? Wow. Say thank you. I hear a crack. A crack and a crunch. I got her a big one, kind of to replicate the one that she had of Captain's when we were home for Christmas, because she seemed to like that one. It's definitely big, but we'll see how long it lasts. It was only like $3.99, I think. Are you enjoying the movie, baby? We're watching Titanic. It's been a while since I've seen it. Lee went through a Titanic phase when he was younger, and I think that's the last time I watched it, so it's been a few years. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Are you having a fun time? It's the same height as her. Are you having a fun time? Okay, come back. Come back. Come on, baby. I'm going out thrifting in like an hour or so, and I don't want to be tempted to buy food out. So this is my lunch: Parmesan pesto chicken with steamed spinach, roasted green beans, and grape tomatoes. Gigi says, oh my God, that looks so good. I want some too. Do you have a problem with me? Do you have a problem with your mama? Is that so? Wow, you really mean that? You really mean that? I have a weird amount of energy right now. Come here, baby. Oh, my little cutie. My little cutie. I think I'm gonna do the dishes. I already ordered groceries, but I was silly and I gave myself a 3-hour window between 2 and 5. Why did I do that? Because I kind of want to go thrifting. I went thrifting yesterday with Celine, but I only found one thing, so I have to try that on. And then we went for dinner at Jack Astor's. God, I love Jack Astor's. Their iced tea is so good. And I got the bruschetta. I love it. I love it. I had a great time. We went with Carrie, so it was just my blondes. Hi, baby. I just got a notification that my groceries will be delivered in 15 minutes. So I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna clean for 15 minutes. Put the groceries away, and then Mama's gonna go on a quick little thrift trip. Just a quick one. What do you think? And baby can have a nap. This is the shapewear that I bought yesterday at Value Village for $10. It's by NYX, And full price, this would probably be, my guess is between $50 to $75. So great deal, great find. I promise I'm not naked. That's kind of the point. It's a 2X. I'm not wearing the right underwear to be trying on shapewear, but I love it. I feel nice and smooth. Love it, love it, love it. And even just for like chub rub, this is perfect. Because the Skims one that I bought is very, very tight. So I will only be using that for very special occasions. This is like perfect. I can walk, I can rub my legs together and not feel a thing. Great find. It's sunny, but so cold. I just walked like less than a minute to the bus stop and I'm crying. What was I thinking leaving my house today? What was I thinking? I am so cold, and the bus route to Valley Village that I took, it's almost 6 o'clock now. I'm actually starving. I don't think I ate today. I'm just realizing that now. But the bus route that I took has like a 10-minute walk. I just finished at Valley Village, so I did find a couple cute things, which means maybe the 20 minutes that I spent in the cold was worth it. But also, now I have to potentially wait for the bus. Oh my God. I am so cold. Excuse my dirty mirror. I am way too lazy to clean that right now. But before I end this week, I wanted to share the 3 things I got thrifting in the freezing cold. Starting with this skirt. It is like a olive color. It's got a cheeky little slit. It's velvet. I'm not sure if the mirror is doing it any justice at all. And then I got this cover up, which is really cute. I thought it'd be nice in spring and summer, even though I'll probably start wearing it as soon as I wash it. And then this black tank top. I forget the brand, but I think it's one of Aritzia's brands. It's like a really thick material. And it was $10. Kind of ridiculous, but it fits really nicely, luckily. Honestly, this is a fit. Kind of slay. Are we still saying slay? I probably am too old to say slay either way. Betty vibes.